Oh, okay. Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia Cards. We're doing 2 more boxes of the new 2015 UFC Champions from Topps for England's Household. He has selected box 4 and 10 from the case. All right. Guys, if I can get more of this, do you guys want it? Empty box. Hey man, positive thinking. Positive thinking. Yeah, I think it would. I just got to find out what the price jumped to, because I think they might have been sold out. I don't know. If it stays at the current price point, yeah. That's my thing. If I can get it at the same price point, then yeah. I'll get another case or two. Who's page fighting in December? Bill is still around. He's traveling for work currently, Jay Schultz. So I'm going to be on all week. Nice. I'm going to be on all week because he's out of town. When he gets back and there's more set schedule, I think Bill's going to be on Monday nights and Tuesday nights doing a lot of football and a lot of hockey. We're going to make Bill be a hockey guy. So Bill is still around. I have not killed him. I've not killed him despite popular belief. Like Howie. Yeah, he was on, he's been real busy with his, I hate to say real job, but he's been real busy with his other job and family and stuff. So he was on, he made a guest appearance on Thursday for a little bit. We got him to break a little bit. Are there dual autos in here? I have not pulled a dual auto, and I've only pulled 1 poster auto out of 3 cases. So the Royals are going to win the World Series. Sweet. At least I don't have to listen to Joe Buck anymore. Well, you know, we did hit 4 rubies in a box. So, you know, if it can be done. If it can be done, we will do it at KTAuthentics. Is Des Bryant going on a Kellen Winslow? I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. I mean, I've only pulled 1 101. It was a base card, so I want to pull a 101. I want to pull a 101 auto. I want to pull a dual auto. I want to pull a Rousey. NY fans should not be angry. New York has lost this series on themselves. The Royals are fundamentally better, and that's why they are winning this World Series. All right. Good luck. This was one of the boxes. What is this guy? Fancy hair guy? Fancy hair guy is protecting one of your autos. Alright, poster of Luzon versus Stevens. I do not think you have that one yet either. Luzon versus Stevens. And then we have Philly, 67 of 188 on the numbered base Philly. Who is texting me? Latifi base, numbered out of 188. That is 80 of 188. See, I think Bill did some, so I don't know what you got in the ones that Bill did. All right, Liddell versus Couture. Liddell versus Couture. Championship clashes. 4-2 Royals. Uh-oh. Fighting Futures, Marquand Armacani. It's the first time I pulled this guy. Marquand Armacani. And then Akiyama Blue. Akiyama Blue is numbered out of 88. That is 82 of 88. Space, 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 space. I like saying base a lot. Blue Thatch. It is a blue Thatch. That is out of 88. That is 34 of 88 on the Thatch. Alright, we only have one autograph, so there should be 3 in here. Blue Henderson. Blue Henderson, 49 of 88 on the Blue Henderson base card. Johnson versus Cormier. Championship clashes. Johnson versus Cormier. David Blue Darush. Blue Darush, that is 1 of 88. Does the UFC sell on COMC? I got a stack of stuff. Where is your autograph? Where are your autographs? Blue. Speaking of, Namjunas. Namjunas is 31 of 88. 31 of 88. The colors seem to run together. It's really weird. Alright, we still need... I did it again. I did it again. Pull right to the auto. Royce Gracie. Royce Gracie is one of your autos. I gotta figure out how to stop doing that. Royce Gracie. Auto number 1. Royce Gracie. You got Manua. Manua out of 188. That is 106 of 188. Aldo versus Mendez 2. Aldo versus Mendez 2. There's your poster. Then you got a Johnson out of 188. 85 of 188 on the Johnson. There's your next autograph. It's Jerry's favorite person. And there is your last autograph. I'll go through the autographs before I do the other box. Vince St. Preux, Fighting Futures die cut. Vince St. Preux. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Base and base. All right. First autograph from one of the boxes that you chose is Penne. Who has Jessica? Yep, Jessica Penne. Jessica Penne is not numbered, not a first autograph. She got that all. I think that doesn't come off sticker. Jessica Penn or Penne, however you want to say it. Alright, your next autograph, protected by Jessica Penne, is your one per case, Paige Van Zandt, PVZ. First autograph, PVZ. Looks like that says Puzz. There's your Paige Van Zandt first autograph, Paige Van Zandt. She did. Alright. And your last autograph of the box is Penn. That's BJ? Yep. BJ Penn. I don't know how that says BJ Penn. Does that say BJ Penn? BJ Penn. I take it that's a really good auto. So everything I thought that was a good auto is not. Base. 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 Numbered Penne. Numbered Penne 146 of 188 on the Penne. Base and base. Alright, on to your next box. Good luck. Alright, Carmucci. We'll start with the Carmucci base and we'll go through. Struve. Struve out of 188. That is 100 of 188 on the Struve base. There's your first autograph. Base, 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 base. Henderson versus Pettis. Championship clashes. Henderson versus Pettis. And then we got Alameda out of 188. That's 167 of 188 on the Alameda. Alright, second stat. Second part. And there's your second autograph. Poster is BJ Penn, Nick Diaz. Hopefully you do not have that one yet. And Lombard out of 188, 145 out of 188 on the Lombard. McGregor Brandao, sorry. McGregor Brandao. UFC Fight Night Dublin. McGregor versus Brandao. Gold. Randini. This lady looks really old. 18 of 25. Best pickup line ever. Fighting Futures, Al Equatina. Fighting Futures. Alright. 2 more autos. Good luck, man. You didn't see that. You did not see that. You did not see that. Jeez, I have a knack for doing that. Looks like we have a Scarlet auto coming up. You did not see that. No, you did not see that. You did not see that. Jackson versus Griffin championship clashes. At a 188, Gunnar Nelson. That is 13 of 188 on the Gunnar Nelson. Stephen Thompson, Fighting Futures. Stephen Thompson, Fighting Futures die cut, and Hill out of 188. $33 of 188 on the Hill base card. Oops. Wrong stack. Base. Hill was your first. Alright, last stack. Can't pull to the auto if I just grab all the cards. There's your last autograph. Autograph number 4. Rousey base. This is Henderson versus Kovalov. It's your poster card. Henderson versus Kovalov is your poster card. We got Formiga. 41 of 188. Formiga. Alright. Well, let's do the autograph you already saw first. Sarah McCann. Scarlet Signatures out of 15. 6 of 15. Sarah McMahon out of 15. 15. Nice auto there. And then base and numbered. Numbered Sands. That is 91 of 188 on the numbered Sands. Alright, your next autograph is Thompson. Steven? Yep, Steven Thompson. Steven Thompson. Two base there. Your next autograph. George St. Pierre. GSP autograph. GSP. Nice GSP. And you had a Holloway out of 188, 118. There you go, out of 118. Holloway out of 118. And your last autograph is Bisping. Michael Bisping. Bisping is your last autograph. And you did get a numbered card. Yep, Palele at a 188. 155 of 188 on the Palele. All right, congrats on your Scarlet and your Van Zant.